Title: Glamorous. The allure of elegance and charm. Meaning: today, we're discussing the word glamorous. Glamorous is an adjective used to describe something that is fascinating, charming, and characterized by an alluring sense of style and elegance. It's a term that embodies sophistication and beauty. Pronunciation. Pronouncing glamorous is straightforward. Glamorous, with a soft G and a long A. Use in a sentence. For example, she looked absolutely glamorous in her elegant evening gown, turning heads at the event. Importance. Glamour adds a touch of enchantment and appeal to various aspects of life, from fashion and entertainment to lifestyle and personal expression. Conclusion. In summary, glamorous is a word that represents the allure of elegance and charm, reminding us of the beauty in our world. Thanks for joining us today on your channel name. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, embrace the glamour in your life and let it shine.